Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at this ANXTECH DP10 thermal imaging camera. If you've never used a thermal camera before, this is one of those tools that makes you feel like a professional because it helps you detect things that you may have not known about, where plumbing is located, HVAC ducts, and things like that. Also, it lets you detect any water leaks in the walls because of the temperature difference with wet material and dry material. So let's go ahead and dive into this and see what it has to offer for us. Jumping into the unboxing, the first thing I pulled out is the user manual. Next, we've got the USB-C charging cable, and I honestly like that they included a braided cable because it feels much higher quality than the typical thin cable you get with a lot of the products. This is the hand strap, which is very convenient, and it quickly attaches to the bottom of the handle. So right away, I'll say it. This thing looks really cool. It's got this very solid professional feel to it, and in hand it feels like a real tool, not a cheap gadget. One detail I really like is the hand strap because it gives you that extra security while you're holding it. So if you're walking around checking a bunch of areas, you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hand or falling. Overall, it feels comfortable and well designed. Another thing that stood out immediately is the display quality. Check this out. It's very easy to read and it feels accurate and responsive. What's really useful is you can see multiple temperatures at the same time. So instead of guessing, you can compare different spots instantly. For example, you can scan a wall, ceiling, window, outlet, or vent and see what areas are warmer or cooler in real time. This makes it really helpful to troubleshooting problems. It's super easy to save all the images. There's a trigger button that's positioned right on the index finger, and with the press of it, it captures a photo and saves it, stores everything inside the device, and organizes the pictures into daily folders. Makes it super easy to look back and find the files that you need. It has the built-in 8 GB memory, which is enough to save up to like 20,000 images. Now let's talk about the menu and settings. The settings are actually pretty straightforward. It's not complicated. Doesn't take long to figure it out. Supports a large variety of languages, which is awesome if you're buying it for a family member or someone who prefers a different language, or if you prefer a different language. Here are all the language options. Also, it's got the temperature alarm feature. You can set the temperature threshold, and if one of the areas you're scanning goes above that temperature, the camera can alert you. That's great for quick spotting unusually hot spots. This camera uses 120 by 90 IR resolution, and it has an enhanced view feature to help make the image clearer. Has a wide temperature range from -4 Fahrenheit to up to around 1000 Fahrenheit, which means it can handle everything from colder areas in a home all the way to checking hot components and equipment. This type of camera is honestly useful for a lot of different situations. HVAC maintenance, checking for pipe issues or potential leaks, finding cold spots around windows and doors, wall and insulation problems, electrical troubleshooting, electronics repair, and identifying overheating components, property maintenance in general. It can even help you get an idea of what's behind certain sections of walls, like where ducting or temperature changes might be happening without tearing anything apart. I suspected a water leak situation in one of the areas in my house, and I was able to spot it. You can see it here on the camera. It clearly shows that spot that I need to take care of. We'll definitely try that drywall up on the ceiling, and of course before that fix the problem with the plumbing. So it makes sense because the tub is right over that area. My breezeway has a lot of windows and doors, and it really needs a lot of work. This window situation needs to be fixed because it just shows me where all that cold is coming from. So definitely need to take care of those areas, and this camera helped me detect all that. I mean, some of it is pretty obvious, some of it is not, like the attic area. I'm not sure how insulated it is, but it seems like I do need to add some blown-in insulation in there. So overall, my impression of this ANXTECH DP10 is very positive. I like the build quality. I like how it feels in hand. I like this strap. and the screen is clear and easy to read. Everything is at your fingertips. If you're someone who does repairs, maintenance, or you just want a powerful tool to help spot issues early before they turn into expensive problems, this is definitely a thermal camera worth checking out. If you want to see more product reviews and different product demos, please check out my other videos on my channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.